Today we're going to talk about adding animation to your characters in Bloxels. So when you have first scanned it in, like I showed you on the previous video, you are creating the idle character. So what it's going to look like if it's not in motion and it is just facing the player. But it's more fun if your character has some different looks when it's moving around. So you can see over here on the left-hand side it says idle, and it will default to making your walk and jump look the same as what you scanned in to the computer. And so I'm going to click on walk because we want to show what he's going to look like when he's walking. So this character, when it walks, you'll see the side of his body. So I'm going to use erase, and I'm going to get rid of some of this right here because I think you'd only really see one of his ears there. And then I want to change the rest of the body. All that stuff on the side is orange. So that's going to be the first part of him walking. The second part of him walking, I want to add a second thing because I want to make his legs move. So I'm going to say plus down here. So this is your animation bar showing you what you've built for his movements. So now it automatically copied that, but I want to change his legs. So his legs are under the first and third orange. So I'm going to erase those right now, and I'm going to add back legs that are going to be under the second and fourth. Okay, so now if I hit play and I practice making him move, you see how when he's moving, his legs are moving. Now he's idle, so we're seeing his front. So now the last thing we need to do is give him a jumping action. So I'm going to go back to edit. Okay, and I'm going to now, you can see on our walk, it's showing his walk. So now I'm going to go to jumping, and the artist who did this wanted his ears to be the thing that changes when he's jumping. So I'm going to, I see that, so that's the beginning stage of jump. Then I'm going to add down at the bottom again to make a change. So I want his ears maybe to look like they're shorter at first and wider when he jumps. Oops, I accidentally made that one too long. I want to see what that looks like. Okay, so if I drop him into the game, when he jumps, his ears go up and down. I like it. All right, the other thing that you can adjust down here is how quickly the transition is. See that number 6? So the bigger the number, the faster the flashing. See this? See how fast it was? I actually kind of liked how it was at 6, so I'm just going to pull my finger back. Oh, it's on 8 now. 6. All right, so now we have Family Guy, we have Idle, we have Walk, and we have Jump. He is ready to roll.